Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 3 Series headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new bulb, which should be handled with gloves to prevent oil transfer. Gather any basic tools like a flathead screwdriver that might be needed to access the headlight housing. Safety is key, so take your time with each step. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight unit. You might see a plastic cover or a small access panel that needs to be removed. Gently unclip or twist it off. Once exposed, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing a tab or pulling it straight off. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific model, it might be held in by a spring clip, a twist lock mechanism, or a small retaining ring. Carefully unclip or twist it out. Now, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and insert it into the housing. Make sure it's seated correctly, then reattach the electrical connector firmly until it clicks. Almost done. Once the new bulb is in and connected, replace any covers or access panels you removed earlier. Make sure they are securely fastened to protect the headlight assembly from dirt and moisture. Now, turn on your car and test the new headlight. Verify that it illuminates properly and matches the brightness of the other headlight. You've successfully changed your BMW 3 Series headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.